Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can archive the project in Todoist. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is when you're in To-Do list, you want to click here on add a project, or like have a project, it doesn't matter. And then you're gonna see 3 dots next to the project. And here you just want to simply click archive the project. When you're gonna archive the project, you can see it here on archive projects, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And goodbye.